clouds kiss the earth, echoes of freedom sing their birth. From the valleys to the peaks so high, Meghalaya's pride stretches to the sky. Happy Statehood Day, let's shout, celebrate what makes us stand out. Whether rain and culture flow free, Meghalaya's spirit will always be. Ancient forests whisper old tales, tribal dances where none ever fails. Cherrapunji with its thunderous rain, in this land no joys ever in vain. Happy Statehood Day, let's shout, celebrate what makes us stand out. Whether rain and culture flow free, Meghalaya's spirit will always be. Ancient forests whisper old tales, tribal dances where none ever fails. Cherrapunji with its thunderous rain, in this land no joys ever in vain. Happy Statehood Day, let's shout, celebrate what makes us stand out. Whether rain and culture flow free, Meghalaya's spirit will always be. Sunrise over Uniam's tender lake, beauty here is more than just a quake. Men and women, hand in hand, guardians of this sacred land.